Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do what? We are going to work with spinner in this video. Okay, so let's add a spinner here quickly. So give it some width, let's say 200 dp and height wrap, and give it some ID. So let's say spinner. Okay, fine. So let's move to the coding part here. Let's quickly create a variable which can manipulate this. So let's say spinner, and quickly in non-create we will be giving some reference over here. Spinner is equal to find viewer id r dot id dot spinner. So now with the help of spinner you can access the spinner. Okay, so what to do now to add some items into spinner? Let's try. We don't have any method like set text or something, don't have any method like add item or something. So same way the spinner cannot directly adapt your data. To work with that we need adapter. Okay, so since the spinner is a list of items, again we are going to use the array adapter here as we have used in list view. If you haven't seen my list view video, please check out from the right top corner. So let's create a private array adapter, and to attach an adapter with the spinner, so we need some data into adapter as well which you want to display. So let's create a private array list of some values that you want to display in a spinner. So I will say array list of string type, and I will say countries. Okay, so let's say this countries. Okay, so we will initialize this here. Countries is equal to new array list, and what to do, just add 2-3 countries. Later on you can add as much you want. So I will say first of all India, second is let's say Canada, and the third is you can also add let's say US. Fine, for the time being I am adding only 3 countries, so my data is ready now. So this data I can pass to adapter. So how do you create an adapter? If you have already seen my videos of list view, you can easily create a adapter. So I will say adapter is equal to new array adapter context. You can get it from application context. Second argument is the layout. So layout we are going to use it from predefined layouts, that is android dot r dot layout dot. So let's see, we have a spinner item, so use this one. And one more thing we left with, that is the data part you want to pass to adapter. So data we are getting from countries, so let's pass this countries over here. So now your adapter is ready, so simply set it with the spinner dot set adapter and adapter. So that's all. If you run this now, and you can see, so drop down is ready. Okay, so as much elements you are going to add into your array list, that much are going to be displayed in this spinner. Thank you, that's all. I hope you liked it. I suggest you to like and subscribe my channel.